All right, hello. This is just a quick introduction to the Data FRQ question, and just a couple things. There's a couple videos here to help you if you get stuck on this, but please, please, please give it a really good shot first, right? Like these are only there to kind of bail you out. I think so much of these questions are you got to dig in, try to make some sense of it, give it everything you got, write down or type out anything you know before we go into the help, right? So to do this, you can load this. It's just a PDF that'll have the question in there. So you can see it'll have a bunch of information about it. It's about 2D arrays. All right. And then as far as answering it, you can either type it out or write it out. So if you wanted to write it out, I would have either given you a paper copy in class, or you could have printed this and then just fill in, where it tells you to write, though they didn't leave you a lot of space here. So you might have to use a blank sheet of paper, this space down here, I guess. For part B, you could write it on the back of the page because they didn't leave enough space here either. Okay, the other route is if you want to type it, you can, but you've got to do a little bit of modification. So this is the class here, and so you got to add in here, and I just picked a value. It says value not shown, so I just put one in, and then so you got to do these global variables, and then type the method heading. So it would look like this. You just make data. And again, I picked a number for max here, make a 2D array called grid, and then you've just got to write the method for part A and part B, type it there. And again, they might not compile just because sometimes they don't show parts of the code. Like obviously you had to add this in here just to make it compile. But anyways, that's the setup. Good luck. And then you turn it into either Google Drive or you can post it here too. All right, good luck.